Alright, today I have a sort of a statement, not really a question, but obviously paintball and airsoft are two very, very popular sports. Personally, I prefer airsoft. Now, what I have here are two spring pistols, but one is a BB gun and one is an airsoft gun. I have way better guns. I have gas guns, electric guns, KWA, Echo 1. But I want to know what you guys prefer, what people on YouTube prefer. Target practice or gaming. One is obviously a weaker round, and real quick, I might have to make another video because my phone's crappy.